Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. We're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a mummy. First, let's draw a circle for the head and a line for the wrap and two round eyes. And then another wrap for the mouth. And let's make the detail of the wrapped in the head. That's a linen wrap. Next, draw a novel for the body, and then the arms on the left and on the right, and the next or the legs. And we're gonna draw the lines for the wrap. Just as you like. It can be diagonally but a little bit curvy, or just curved like this for the legs, and another one. Then for both arms, and we're gonna draw some linen that's hanging. Just you can put anywhere you want, but I'm gonna put on the right hand, the head, and also the body. Draw two circles inside the eyes and envelope it with another circle. Now we are ready to color. I'm gonna color the eyes black, and the white part, it's gonna be orange, pale orange. And then for the body, I'm using gray for the outlines, and then continue with lighter shade of gray for whole linen or the whole wrapped. While for the part where you can see the flesh, I'm using brown, but I don't really press it. You can just press the colored pencil, or you can use black. Now it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.